Hello guys, welcome to complete Kotlin tutorial series for absolutely beginners. And in this video, we are going to learn about how to create your data type to another data type. So for example, if you have created a variable in string and later you want to change it in integer value, how can you change it? So let's get started. So open your ij tool and write your main method. So this is our main method and we are working on the variable. So let me create a variable. So var and my int value is my variable name and we are specifying our data type as integer assignment operator with giving the value 35. And let us create a var my int value as string and we are specifying our data type as string assignment operator my int value. We are taking this my int value which is the integer value and we are converting it into string value. So here we can see something like my int value given the error because it is an integer value and we wanted to actually convert it into string value. So here we have some functions like to string, to byte, to double, to float, all those things. So let us select to string to actually convert the integer value to string. So let us print this my int value as string and run the application. And let us complete our background task. Yeah, so here we can see we have successfully converted our integer value to string. So let me comment out it. So a slash a star and star slash to actually create a multiple comment. So let us take a val my a string value and it is a type of string value assignment operator and let us use something like learn to code. So any message in the double quotes. Now let me create another variable, another constant variable and my string value as int and we are specifying our data type as integer. So int and is equals to we are taking this my string value and we are converting the string value into to int. So let us print this. So a print and we are taking this my string value as int. So the reason we have taken here the val because we did not want to change our variable at any moment. So here we can see there is an error because on a string value, in the string value we have the message, so we cannot change actually this type of message as in integer value. So if you actually cut this and actually give the integer value in the double quotes and run your application, you can actually see an integer value in your console. So it means if we have the string value as this type, you can actually change it into integer value. Otherwise we cannot do that, right? So this is the rule to remember. So let me comment out this thing. So a slash star and a star slash to create multiple line comment. So let me create another constant and at this time we take my int value and assignment operator. So let me actually specify my data type. So let me remove this and assignment of integer value and assignment operator. Let me give 35 as value of my integer value. Now create another val of my int value as doubled and it is also specifying the data type as double assignment operator and we are taking this my int value and we are going to convert it into two double. So let us print this and my int value as double. Let us run this And if you wanted to actually change your int value to float, you can do that as in the same method. So you can see it has printed in the decimal value, that is 35.0, right? So it is an integer, we have converted into double. So let me actually cut out this integer and create a double, and give the int. We'll remove the double to 2 int. Let me give the decimal value, because and decimal value is a type of a double value, right? So let me run this, and you can see that and double value has converted into the integer value, right? So 35, 43, 53 has converted into 35. So it is an integer value. And another thing I wanted to notice you that if we are going to create a variable, a constant variable, and we are giving the name of the constant variable as same in the previous variable, constant variable, it cannot be do that. We cannot be do that, right? So it means we have to actually give a specific name to the variable. So thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.